Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about how to get started in real estate investing with no money. In this article, we'll go over the 10 best strategies for investing in real estate without a lot of money or experience. You will gain some insight into how to begin investing in real estate without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. Investing in real estate refers to any property owned solely to generate profit, either through rental income or through market value appreciation. There is no such thing as no money down in real estate, because the money has to come from some source. If you want to invest in real estate with little or no money, you need to develop the ability to recognize, understand, and even take advantage of other people's money. You will still need little money for making a down payment when opting for financing real estate through conventional loans. Real estate is an asset form with limited liquidity relative to other investments. Any type of real estate investment requires some amount of capital, and is also highly cash flow dependent to call it a profitable investment. Investing in real estate by using others' money is the stamp of authenticity for some of the most successful people in the real estate investing business. Why? Mainly because these successful investors have grasped the art of investing in real estate with no financial input at all. For the financially strapped investors and the new investors, investing in real estate with no money is an attractive way of testing the waters. Moreover, all this can be done without necessarily having the credit or financial capabilities to do so. The experienced real estate investors, on the other hand, have realized that making use of other people's money frees their cash for other investment opportunities and also clears up their available funds. Investing in real estate is a great step towards achieving that much desired financial freedom. If you want to start earning a consistent and reliable passive income, you need to start investing in real estate. I know many people struggle with these trite questions. How do I start investing in real estate, or where to get that cash to buy a property? This is the question that haunts many people who want to invest in real estate, but have never invested before. Investing in real estate is a tried and tested way of building wealth. Forget the infomercials on tax liens or books talking about how you get a house free from the government. 10 best ways to invest in real estate with little or no money. Number 1. Purchase money mortgage/seller financing. The first proven way to invest in real estate with no money is through seller financing. When buyers are unable to secure a loan from financial institutions, they may opt to seek real estate financing from the sellers. With conventional real estate transactions, the buyers will provide the sellers with the cash to gain ownership of the property. However, with a purchase money mortgage, the seller extends finances to the buyer. The buyers will then repay the sellers for the agreed terms. Number 2. Investing in real estate through lease option. The second proven way to invest in real estate with no money is through the lease option. Under the lease option, the property owner charges the buyer a monthly or yearly premium in the form of higher rental payments. The excess rental fee will then be channeled towards the purchase price. With this type of agreement, the investor can purchase an investment real estate using a slightly higher rental fee. Number 3. Hard money lenders. If you have no money to invest in real estate, you can opt for hard money lending as a viable funding option. Instead of coming from a bank, the funds used in real estate investment will come from groups or private individuals. Since these types of loans do not necessarily need to go through corporate procedures, they tend to have fewer qualification requirements. This, in turn, means that they can be secured fast. Moreover, private lenders might be more than willing to back up risky projects. Number 4. Microloans. There are a variety of new financing options that have opened up the market for new real estate businesses to profit. As the name suggests, microloans are normally geared towards startups or newer businesses, which require resources to generate further growth. Microloans are much smaller than what traditional financial institutions offer. The lower balances will, in turn, mean these programs are less strict in their qualification requirements, i.e., credit score. A microloan is a good funding option to invest in real estate with no money. Number 5. Forming partnerships to invest in real estate with little money. Real estate partnerships are common for investing in real estate with little or no money. If you want to invest in a property, but the price tag is out of range, then an equity partnership may be what you need. An equity partner is an individual whom you bring into a transaction to help finance a property. There are different ways that partnerships may be structured, and thus it is up to the buyer and the partner to agree on a more viable structure. Number 6. Home equity loans. If you have no money for your second investment in real estate, you can go for home equity loans. The majority of investors tend to capitalize on the equity of their primary home and then use it to finance the new property. Banks and several other financial institutions offer different products such as home equity line of credit and home equity installment loan, which allows the buyers to capitalize on the equity that they already have. Number 7. Trade houses. Trading houses is another viable way of acquiring new property. By trading an old property with a new property, you will not only be able to acquire a new property, but also avoid the capital gains associated with the selling of a property. This is another proven way to invest in real estate with no money. With that said, buying an investment property for sale with no money down is not a new phenomenon. Also, it is clear to us that there is no such thing as no money down in real estate investment because the money is going to come from somewhere. Apart from the ways discussed above, there are several other ways to buy an investment property with no money down. Invest in real estate today by choosing any of the approaches discussed above. You may also like to read our blog on buying rental properties with no money down. Number 8. Special U.S. government schemes like USDA loans. With an end goal to fill underpopulated zones of the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Rural Development Office gives mortgages with down payments as low as 0%. These loans are offered only in towns with populations of 10,000 or less. All things considered, 10,000 is very sizable for most towns, so 97% of the U.S. is secured. USDA loans are zero down payment mortgages for rural and suburban homebuyers. These loans go to those who qualify as having a low or moderate income. They're mainly for borrowers who aren't wealthy and can't get a traditional mortgage. To check whether your area qualifies for this loan, you can visit usda.gov and read their terms and conditions. Number 9. SBA loans for investing in commercial real estate. The SBA works with lenders to provide loans to small businesses. If you're looking to purchase commercial real estate, the SBA 504 loan is the best choice. An SBA 504 loan is commercial real estate financing for owner-occupied properties. Business Administration or SBA loans require only a 10% down payment by the small business owner, and funding amounts range from $125,000 to $20 million. With an SBA 504 loan, money can be used to buy a building, finance ground-up construction, or building improvements. Number 10. By owning shares of real estate investment trusts. Someone else buys your share, or the property is sold. When you own shares in a real estate trust, it is generally as easily sold like shares of stock. You can buy targeted real estate investment trusts, such as those in firms that build medical buildings, nursing homes, malls, and industrial parks. It is easier to diversify your holdings by owning a variety of REITs, and you never have to manage anything. The modest downside is that they take a chunk of the profits in administrative overhead before distributing the remainder to shareholders. A related financial product is the real estate mutual fund. These mutual funds are more liquid than REIT shares. They are more diversified too. They may invest in REITs, the publicly traded shares of home builders, and companies that sell building supplies. Real estate ETFs are simply ETFs that invest in the same sorts of businesses. A REIT ETF is an ETF that invests in REITs. You'll have lower returns, but there is less risk than investing in a REIT. In every case, you don't have to invest in real estate directly, much less manage it. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Goodbye.